In today's video, we're going to take a look at LULU because I want to show you a pattern that occurs over and over again in an uptrend. And it's pretty simple. It's just that, pretty much within an uptrend, we're going to hold on pullbacks, typically to retracements and symmetry projections. And then typically, if the trade plays out fully, then you meet an extension to the upside and then start the pattern again. You get a pullback, meet an extension, have a pullback, meet an extension, have a pullback, meet an extension. So this last one, was pretty much just simple symmetry plus a 786 retracement as far as another buy entry. But what you have to notice now is that we've almost met two extension targets on the upside. Actually, the second extension comes in at 262.93. So even though we don't have to stop here, you're definitely in the position to experience a pullback. Okay, so that's something that you want to be aware of. So if you had taken, a trade against the key support and you get up into these extensions, it's a good time to really ratchet up the stops using the lower time frame charts. But what would you do next? Well, in the bigger picture, I still have a potential upside target to the 303.56 area. And if we do start to get a pullback from, this extension, I want to set it up again. So we would take 100% of these prior declines, project it from the new high. Okay, so we would have a few of those to run. And then we would also look at the retracement of the prior low to high swing. And that's going to give us a new area to look at for a possible support decision and an entry on the buy side. Now, it doesn't come in right now until, let's see, at least the top end comes in at 238.72 to 239.69. But remember that if we make a new high first, all these levels have to be recalculated. But if you want to work the pattern, just, do the same thing over and over again until it doesn't work anymore. Right now, it's still a bullish pattern. So we do want to look at buying the next pullback. And then, we would be having stops either underneath that zone or underneath this prior swing low. Okay, but if a new high is made, I'm going to have to run the levels for you again.